Hello, one and all. My name is Kinjal Shah, and I'm a second year MBA student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. And today I'll be delivering a presentation on the topic exponential smoothing. Now, we see there are a lot of fluctuations, be it in supply, demand, productions, inventory, etc. So, to make these variations smooth and fluctuations smooth, the exponential smoothing method is used. This method provides an exponentially weighted moving average of all the previously observed values, appropriate for data with no predictable upward or downward trend. This aims to estimate the current level and use it as a forecast for future value. Formally, the exponential smoothing equation is f t plus 1 is equals to alpha into yt plus 1 minus alpha into ft, where f t plus 1 stands for forecast for the next period, alpha is the smoothing constant, yt is observed value of series in the product t, and lastly ft is old forecast for the period t. The forecast FT is based on weighting the most recent observation YT with a weight alpha and weighting the most recent forecast FT with a weight of 1 minus alpha. The value of smoothing constant must be between 0 to 1. It can be anywhere between 0 to 1. Alpha cannot be equal to 0 or 1. That is, it should be in between 0 or 1. If stable predictions with smoothed random variation is desired, then small value of alpha is desirable. If a rapid response to a real change in the pattern of observation is desired, then large value of alpha is appropriate. To estimate alpha, forecasts are computed for alpha equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on till 0.9, and the sum of the square forecast error is computed for each, that is SFE. The value of alpha with the smallest MSE is chosen for use in producing the future forecast. To start the algorithm, we first need f1 because f2 is equals to alpha into yt plus 1 minus alpha into ft. Since f1 is not known, we can set the first estimate equal to the first observation by using the average of the first 5 or 6 observations for the initial smoothed value. Now let us take as example over here. The data is given from January 2019 till January 2001 and observed values are given for the same. We want to forecast the index of consumer sentiment using simple exponential smoothing method. Since there is no forecast available for the first period, we will set the first estimate equal to the first observation. So here you can see the fluctuations are up and down. So we cannot estimate what will be the future forecast. So we want here a line or a trend or a curve by which we can easily predict the future observations. So here first let us try the values of alpha as 0.3 and 0.6. So here you can see the date, the observations, and then it is multiplied with alpha 0.3 and 0.6, and then further observations are met. So thus we have two forecasts for the month of January 2011. First one is 96.22. For alpha the value was 0.3 and 97.27, for which the alpha value was 0.6. So based on these two forecasts for the month of January 2021, we have to calculate the MSE and then select the lowest value for the appropriate next forecast. Thank you.